Mom, you're doing everything right. But why do you still feel like it's never enough? I remember back then when I was working long days and I was still stressing about bills, school fees, and feeling like the money was just never enough. No one tells you how exhausting it is to give you all to the job that just drains you. You see, Mom, that's why I chose a different path. I built a 2-hour workday online business. Now my system works for me even while I'm making memories, not missing them. Comment Freedom and I'll send you the same blueprint I used to start my online business with. No more 9 to 5 grind.